So for today, we're comparing two popular cloud hosting platforms, which is the Railway and Render. So let's find out which one suits your deployment needs best. So in Railway, it is a modern platform aimed at simplicity and developer productivity. Its pros are super easy setup, generous free tier, and powerful CLI tools. And its cons are limited scaling options and somewhat unstable free tier limits. While on Render, it focuses on providing a powerful infrastructure with scalability, and the pros is it has a better scaling, more control over deployments, and a well-documented API. And its cons is it is slightly more complex setup and higher pricing as you scale. So, in comparison, Railway is great for rapid prototyping and small projects, while Render excels at scalability and control. In conclusion, choose Railway for simplicity and quick deployments, and choose Render if you need more control and scalability.